I have my hands on the brand new Z Fold 8 in the all-new form factor, and here are my favorite features. We get a 7.3-inch large display with a 4:3 landscape aspect ratio and a 10:16 aspect ratio for social feeds. My first impressions are that the size and feel are really great in my hands. It's comfortable, and I'm excited to test it out. Now, this is the lightest Galaxy Fold yet at 201 grams. It also has a new Flex titanium technology, and honestly, you can barely feel or see the crease. It also has an anti-reflectant glare, and it has 300 nits of peak brightness. Now, as soon as I had this device in my hands, I realized that it is going to be perfect for viewing social content. Now, holding it one way makes it perfect for scrolling Instagram Reels or TikToks. Now, when you turn it, you can watch YouTube videos or movies on this huge display. I find it easy to type on the front display, which is a huge plus. Samsung also improved the Now Brief with more personal insights. Now let's get into the camera. We get a 50 megapixel wide and 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. Now here are a few test pictures I took as soon as I got the phone in my hands. Now I also really like that we can do dual recordings with both the front and back camera at the exact same time. This is perfect for capturing those in-the-moment reaction videos or even when you're traveling. Now the new Z Fold 8 feels like the perfect size to use 2 apps at once. I feel like it's perfect for multitasking. I love having my calendar on one side and my emails on the other. It also felt really easy to read and scroll through magazines as well. This form factor is really comfortable in my hands. It feels like a little book. I really enjoy reading and watching content on it so far. Now you'll also receive more nudges now. For example, if someone's asking if you're free on a certain date, you'll be able to click on this little AI button and it will automatically open up and check your calendar and add in that event to that day. And if someone messages you asking about a certain location, you can actually be sent directly to Maps by clicking on the button as well. Now there is a brand new feature that I'm personally really excited about. It's called My Fan Cam. Now when you film a video, you can actually select on a person that you want to track. You select that person and then you can choose the exact aspect ratio that you want. So I'm going to choose 9:16. And then it'll actually create an entirely separate video for you tracking that person's movement in the new aspect ratio. It's also really useful when you have a group of people and you want to track a specific person. It's a super quick and easy process, and I could see myself using this on so many different occasions. Now, I wish I had this feature during the World Cup so I could track Luka Modric on the pitch. Now, this is just going to make editing and filming so much easier. We also get the super steady lock feature, where you can turn the phone fully around or shake it and get a steady shot that doesn't flip. This feature has been useful ever since we got it with the S26 Ultra, and I'm happy that Samsung brought it to all of their other devices. I actually recently used this feature on a boat, and I love how steady all of the content came out. I'm obsessed with it. There's also the Gemini Notebooks app where you can turn photos, recordings, and documents into infographics, podcasts with audio and video summaries. Now for battery, we get a 4800 milliamp hour battery and 26 hours of video playback. Now the new Galaxy Z Fold 8 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, so you know you're getting incredible performance. And the Galaxy Z Fold 8 starts at $18.99. Now I'm going to be getting this device first, and I'll be filming a full day in the life review, so make sure you're subscribed to follow along. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye!